Let's start another question. Electric field intensity at point B due to a point charge Q kept at point A is 24 Newton per Coulomb, and the electric potential at point B due to same charge is 12 Joule per Coulomb. Calculate the distance AB and also the magnitude of charge Q. See the question carefully. इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड भी बी पॉइंट पे गिवन है 24 और पोटेंशियल भी बी पॉइंट पे गिवन है 12. तो आपको कैलकुलेट द डिस्टेंस एज वेल एज मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ चार्ज. अब आपको इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड गिवन है 24 न्यूटन पर कूलम और पोटेंशियल गिवन है 12 जूल पर कूलम. तो आपको देखना होगा व्हाट इज द रिलेशन बिटवीन इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड एंड पोटेंशियल. द रिलेशन बिटवीन इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड एंड पोटेंशियल इज E इक्वल्स टू V upon R. Then first you calculate distance. How will you calculate? You know E equals to V upon R. Then R equals to V upon E. V is 12. E is 24. Then you will calculate R. Let's see electric field whose formula is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R square. It is given 24 Newton per Coulomb. And potential is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R. It is given 12 Joule per Coulomb. Now divide this equation, you will get R equals to V upon E. So V is 12, E is 24. So we will get R equals to 0.5 meter. So R is 0.5 meter. Now you are to calculate charge. So as you know, potential equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. So value of V is given 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught is K. So you will write 9 into 10 to the power 9. R you have calculated. So with this equation of V you will calculate Q. So you will get Q equals to 4 pi epsilon naught V into R. 4 pi epsilon naught you can write 1 upon 9 into 10 to the power 9. V is 12 given and R you have calculated 0.5. So you will get charge 0.67 into 10 to the power minus 9 Coulomb. Before going to discuss next numerical, let me explain the potential around the sphere. The potential at the surface of the sphere is equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R. And it is also same inside the sphere. जो सरफेस पे पोटेंशियल होता है V इक्वल्स टू 1 अपॉन 4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट Q अपॉन कैपिटल R होता है, और अंदर भी पोटेंशियल सरफेस के इक्वली होता है. जो पोटेंशियल सरफेस पे होता है V इक्वल्स टू 1 अपॉन 4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट Q अपॉन कैपिटल R, वही पोटेंशियल स्पेयर के अंदर भी होता है. तो अगर आपको सरफेस पे पोटेंशियल पता है, मान लीजिए सरफेस पे 20 वोल्ट है पोटेंशियल, तो अंदर कितना होगा स्पेयर के अंदर हर एक पॉइंट पे पोटेंशियल 20 वोल्ट ही होगा. लेट्स स्टार्ट द क्वेश्चन. अ चार्ज ऑफ 20 माइक्रोकूलम इज गिवन टू अ होलो मेटेलिक स्पेयर ऑफ रेडियस 0.2 मीटर. फाइंड द पोटेंशियल एट द सरफेस ऑफ द स्पेयर एंड एट अ डिस्टेंस ऑफ 0.1 सेंटीमीटर फ्रॉम द सेंटर ऑफ द स्पेयर. एक स्पेयर है, होलो मेटेलिक स्पेयर है जिसकी रेडियस 0.2 मीटर है और उस पर चार्ज है 24 माइक्रोकूलम. आपको फाइंड करना है उस पर पोटेंशियल एट द सरफेस, और सेंटर से 0.1 सेंटीमीटर डिस्टेंस पे आपको पोटेंशियल फाइंड करना है. यू आर टू फाइंड द पोटेंशियल. लेट्स डिस्कस अबाउट द सॉल्यूशन. यू नो चार्ज ऑन द स्पेयर इज 24 माइक्रोकूलम. माइक्रो मीन्स 10 to the power minus 6. Radius is given 0.2 meter, and the formula of potential at the surface of the sphere is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon capital R. You can write KQ upon R, and the value of 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught is 9 into 10 to the power 9. Charge is given 24 into 10 to the power minus 6. Radius 0.2 meter. So you will get answer 1.08 into 10 to the power 6 volt. So how will you find potential at the surface? The formula is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon capital R. It is at the surface of the sphere. Potential at the surface of the sphere, and it is also same inside the sphere. Let's solve the second part of this question. You are to find potential at the 0.1 centimeter from the center. You know the radius of this sphere is, what is the radius of this sphere? Radius is 0.2 meter. Clear? And you are to find 0.1 centimeter from the center. Of course you are to find inside the sphere because radius is 0.2 meter, and you are to find potential at the distance of 0.1 centimeter from the center. It means you have to find potential inside the sphere, and you know very well that inside the sphere the potential is equals to at the potential of the surface. As potential at any point inside this sphere is equals to potential on the surface, so same answer will come 1.08 into 10 to the power 6 volt. The unit of potential difference is volt and unit of potential is also volt. Before discussing Nash numerical, let me clear the concept of maths. When 27 drops combine and form one drop, then what you will do? You will do the volume of the bigger drop is equals to 27 drops into volume. जब 27 ड्रॉप्स को कंबाइन करके एक ड्रॉप बनाई जाती है, तो जो एक ड्रॉप है बड़ी सी ड्रॉप, उसके वॉल्यूम को आप 27 स्मॉल ड्रॉप्स के वॉल्यूम के इक्वल करोगे, then you will get R equals to 3R, where capital R is radius of the bigger drop and small r is radius of a small drop. Let's start the numerical. 27 drops of same size are charged at 220 volt each. They collides to form a bigger drop. They combine to form a bigger drop. Calculate the potential of the bigger drop. 27 ड्रॉप्स हैं जिनको चार्ज किया गया है 220 वोल्ट पे, देन उनको कंबाइन करके एक बिगर ड्रॉप बनाई गई है. उस बिगर ड्रॉप का आपको पोटेंशियल फाइंड करना है. लेट्स स्टार्ट द सॉल्यूशन. हम स्मॉल ड्रॉप की रेडियस को मानेंगे स्मॉल आर, लार्ज ड्रॉप की रेडियस को मानेंगे कैपिटल आर. लेट रेडियस ऑफ ईच स्मॉल ड्रॉप इज स्मॉल आर एंड रेडियस ऑफ लार्ज ड्रॉप इज कैपिटल आर. नाउ यू विल अप्लाई सेम कंसेप्ट. The volume of large drop is equals to 27 multiplied by volume of small drop. 4/3 pi, 4/3 pi cancel. When you will take cube root, then you will get R equals to 3R, where capital R is radius of large drop, small r is radius of small drop. Now what will be the potential of small drop? V equals to 1/4 pi epsilon naught Q upon small r. As you know, potential is given, so you will put the value of potential V 220 1/4 pi epsilon naught. You will put the value and small r. So from this equation you will get the value of small q, which will be V into 4 pi epsilon naught r. If every drop has small q charge, then what will be the total charge on 27 drops? It will be 27 into q. Capital Q equals to 27 into small q. And from V equals to 1/4 pi epsilon naught Q upon small r, you will get the value of small q, which is 4 pi epsilon naught r capital V. So total charge on 27 drops Q equals to 27 into q. And you will write the value of q 4 pi epsilon naught RV. Now potential of last drop, it will be 1/4 pi epsilon naught capital Q upon capital R. Capital Q, you know, 27 into 4 pi epsilon naught small r capital V, and capital R is equals to 3R. So when you put this value, 4 pi epsilon naught cancel, R cancel, 27 it will be cancelled by 3 9 times, so 9 into V, and the value of V is given 220, so you will get 1980 volt. So potential of last drop is 1980 volt. Before discussing the Nash numerical, let me clear this concept. You can see there is a square. Square as side is A. Clear? So what will be the diagonal? You will get diagonal from the Pythagoras theorem. It will be root 2A. And the distance from the center of the corner, it will be root 2A upon 2. Clear? What will be the distance from the center to the corner? It will be root 2A upon 2. Let's start the numerical. Calculate the electric potential at the center of a square of side root 2 meter. आपको इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल कैलकुलेट करना है सेंटर ऑफ द स्क्वायर जिसकी साइड रूट 2 मीटर है. हैविंग चार्जेस 100 माइक्रोकुलाम, -50 माइक्रोकुलाम, 20 माइक्रोकुलाम एंड -60 माइक्रोकुलाम at the four corners of the square. As you can see, there is a square whose side is root 2 meter and charges are at the corner at 100 microcoulomb, minus 50 microcoulomb, 20 microcoulomb and minus 60 microcoulomb. Clear? Its side is root 2 meter. So from the Pythagoras theorem, you will get diagonal under root 2 square plus root 2 square, you will get 2 meter. So diagonal is 2 meter. So the distance from the center to the corner, it will be 1 meter. So you have to find potential at the center of the square. Clear? Charges are 100 microcoulomb, minus 50 microcoulomb, 20 microcoulomb and minus 60 microcoulomb. And the distance of the center from the corner is 1 meter from each corner. So see the solution. Potential at the center of the square is V equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught will be common. So it will be Q1 upon R plus Q2 upon R plus Q3 upon R plus Q4 upon R, because potential is scalar quantity. Okay, Q1 is 100 micro, so you will write 100 into 10 to the power minus 6. Q2 is minus 50 micro, so you will write minus 50 into 10 to the power minus 6. Similarly 20 into 10 to the power minus 6 and minus 60 into 10 to the power minus 6. You know the distance of the center from the corner is 1 meter. So at the R you will write 1. Clear? So you will take the common 10 to the power minus 6. So 100 minus 50, 50. 50 plus 20, 70. And 70 minus 60 is 10. Okay. 10 to the power 9 into 10, 10 to the power 10. And 10 to the power minus 6, it will be 10 to the power 4. So the answer will be 9 into 10 to the power 4 volt.